Hello everybody, this is a Lamley showcase, Lamley preview. Hot Wheels NFT Garage Series 2 just arrived from Mattel so I can show them to you. Excited to open these up, have a look at these models. NFTs are new for all of us. No reason for me to explain NFTs, A, because I don't know how to explain them. I mean, I'm getting an idea. I'm starting to learn. But also, it would take forever to do. But these digital assets that exist, Hot Wheels jumped into the NFT world, last year? I think it was late last year. And with Series 1, sold the NFT packs. Some of us bought them, some of us didn't. Then they've released Series 2. Some of us bought them, some of them didn't. And they just released Series 3. Well, the Series 2 actual models are out and to be redeemed by those that have the equal NFTs. How does that work? Well, what they did is Series 2 came out a few months ago. You're allowed to buy the packs, obviously, in the marketplace. I think it was Wax that they do use for theirs. And you know what? Sometimes people complain about the RLC, the bots and everything. Well, you have to buy a pack, and then you have to open a pack, and you get what's in there. It's all random, so that's kind of cool. But once the packs are sold and people can open them and see what they have, then Hot Wheels kind of leaves the marketplace open for a while so people can trade and buy the NFTs they want. And there are a small number, and we're talking small number, of 5 different models that actually have real world equivalents. So as that market goes, people can trade and buy, and if they want those NFTs, they can acquire them however they need to. And then Hot Wheels opens up a 30-day window, which they've done as of yesterday, August 10th, for those that have those NFTs to redeem them or turn them in or trade them in or whatever for actual models, which are then mailed to them. Series 1 is already out. I actually have Series 1, but I'm not going to showcase that yet. I'll do it another time, only because Series 2 is more relevant. Series 3, the marketplace is open now. People are trading, buying, and then eventually they'll open up the window for those models as well. So there's a lot more NFT models, these digital equivalents, but there's these 5 specifics, and we're going to open them up and have a look. This is what the box looks like when it arrives. It's kind of cool because it's very plain. This is the Aristo Rat from the Rod Squad series. I don't know what else to show you on the box, but let's just go ahead and open it up. Very, very simple packaging. You just open up the box and you pull out the model in its protector. So what I'm going to do, I'll go ahead and remove it from the protector, but I'm not going to remove the model from the card. So this is number 10 from Series 2, NFT Garage. I got the foil stamping, which is kind of cool here. There's the artwork, which is like the moving artwork in the NFT. And here is the actual model. I'll show you the back. It's very plain, very simple. And I'll kind of put the model up close. But here's the cool thing. So these models, to me, you don't open these because they're like this really comes to me as a package, right? Card, model, blister, the equivalent. Of course, if you want to open it, go ahead and open it. But if you want to see it, the Hot Wheels folks are nice. So they have sent me Leeway, who designs for Basic and does a lot of super treasure hunts and everything else. He is the one who's designing these models, and Leeway was cool enough to send me some loose models to show for you. So I do have them. I actually filmed these on the turntable out near Capitol Reef. I got these a while ago, and then the Hot Wheels team said, actually, don't show them yet because I was going to show them loose, but they said, we'll send you the carded ones so you can show those as well. So I've held off, but you can see this model now. The Aristo Rat, I think, debuted in Basic. I haven't seen it in a while, so this one I think was done for premium. These have Real Rider tires, of course. They have metal chassis, and then I think full deco. The Spectre Flame that's used on these as well is more the equivalent of what you see on Super Treasure Hunts as opposed to, say, like RLC. So it's kind of that medium range premium, but looks very, very cool. I like the Aristo Rat logo here on this one. All right, let's go with the next one. This is the Custom Auto. Let's just show you Custom Auto. Get it out of the package here. There it is. Hot Wheels Flames, year 2008 is when it debuted. Custom Auto is kind of a nostalgic original casting, just like the Aristo Rat is. This is number 20 from Series 2. Spectre Flame Black with flames. I really like the orange 5 spokes, orange lipped 5 spokes, right? Notice the storm coming in the background from this turntable. That's kind of cool too. I think I actually filmed the bone shaker on this and it fell, but I'll talk about that when I do Series 1. But that is the custom auto, very cool car. And those are the 2 originals. We've got 3 licensed cars, starting with this. This is the Chevrolet Corvette C8R. Like I said, I don't know the specific numbers of these. I know that they're done in various productions, but they are incredibly rare. Everything from the most common, quote unquote, to the most rare, which is they do an NFTH treasure hunt, NFT treasure hunt. Bone Shaker was in Series 1. The Bel Air Gasser, which we'll get to, is in Series 2. That is the one that's done in the smallest amount of numbers. But I think all of them are pretty rare. So you've got to pony up, I think, to get the NFT equivalent. All right, let's take a look at this one. This is awesome. Corvette C8R Hot Wheels Car Meet. This was debuted in 2021. We've actually seen this in basic and in premium. And this one is kind of done in Leeway's designed this in a tribute to the racing style of the C8R, right? That yellow look. This one is almost like a super treasure hunt in gold. 10 spokes on this. They've got the all black 10 spokes with the gold. I mean, this one definitely has that super treasure hunt look, doesn't it? Any yellow super that goes gold is just a phenomenal treat. So that is the C8R Corvette. Next one. Now we go Japanese with the Honda S2000. Popular casting, a Ryo Asada, the Ryo Asada original, right? The first casting he ever did with Hot Wheels after he moved over from Matchbox. So there it is, right there, kind of nighttime looking thing. There's just with the foil print and kind of the way they've done this, there's like a textured card. These are really, really nice. And like I said, I think they're worth keeping carded. This one looks really nice. Blue, dark blue, 10 spoke wheels. Simple deco, and so this one has a nice clean look. The 10 spokes, the 10 spokes on it, I think, are very, very nice. So that is the Honda S2000. Let's get to the last one, which is the 55 Chevy Bel Air from the Rod Squad series. Cool thing about this one, this is your treasure hunt. NFTH. So this is the rarest one produced. And you can see, obviously, it has a little bit of a different treatment. First off, look. This is what it looks like on the back here. This is what it looks like on the front. Obvious difference here, and that this one has a gold card. There is the model. Look at the back here, too. It actually has a window on the back as well. So this one definitely is the most rare. It gets the fanciest treatment. I actually think the art on the others is better because this foil print actually kind of makes this look a little bit too cut out. But what are you going to do? Let's take a look at the Gasser. You got to have fun with Gassers, and this one is great. This is the classic casting, right? This is the one that was done in basic. Now there's an RLC version as well, a premium casting. Cool deco by Leeway, kind of a simple deco, but very detailed. You can do anything to a Gasser, right? You can basically put any deco you want on it. You got that pinstriping on the side, on the back. The real riders look good with the what's that, like the copper rims? This thing is fantastic. Of course the Gasser is going to be the treasure hunt because the Gasser is the Gasser. I would imagine we'll see Silverados and cool combis and everything else. It just seems like if you're going to do it, you do it. There you go. You guys tell me what you think. Very, very cool family of cars. We'll get to Series 1 later. But I actually like Series 2 better. I think the C8R, the Honda, and the Gasser are fantastic models. I want to know what you guys think. Are you going to try and collect these? If you're a Gasser collector, you're going to pursue this one. I know that it can go for a pretty penny. I have no idea where the market's going to go on these. Up, down, around. It's all very new, but I think it's cool that Hot Wheels is doing this. I think they need to. They need to stay up. And it's up to us as collectors to decide whether we're going to collect them or not. I want to know your opinion. You guys tell me what you think of the models, what you think of the series. We'll do Series 1 later. Thanks, everybody. Bye.